Hey guys, this is Ryan with Cars Remember When. Have something really unique and special for you today. This is a 1986 Volkswagen Transporter. It appears it was built in Germany. It is a 1.6 liter turbo diesel with a 5-speed manual transmission. And this vehicle shows 150,000 miles on the odometer, but it has reportedly been restored and it just shows awesome. As you can see, paint and body is in really nice shape. Has a really cool fold down bed. All four corners of this bed fold down. Definitely comes with its own quirks being a diesel, but very fun to drive. Fairly quick too for a Volkswagen bus/transporter of this era. Interior is just in excellent condition. It's got these rubber floor mats that still look awesome. The seats could be original. They show a little age, but are in really good shape. So I'm gonna hop in here and fire it up. So key on, crank, and ignition. Got your light controls here. Dash is in awesome shape. This is a fold down. If you're working on something or writing, you can do that there. Got some added gauges down here. Boost, oil, volt, temperature. Here's your 5-speed manual transmission. Take a look at that shift pattern there. That shift pattern is pretty unique. It takes a little getting used to. Aftermarket stereo. It does work. Works well. Someone put an aftermarket horn button in here. You could probably mount that somewhere else if you wanted to, but it works there. Got your fan control here. Let's see, in here you got an ashtray and even 2 cup holders. Power outlet. Got your hazards. Those are your fog lights. Clock in the middle on a 24-hour clock, sure enough. Oh, the horn does also work on the wheel. So I'm not really sure why this was added, but it is there. You can decide what you want to do with it. You can see the speakers have been added in the door panel there. But this thing is just really cool. There you have it. That is your 1.6 liter turbo diesel. Keep in mind, with this being a diesel, it is a hard, cold start. Once it warms up to operating temperature, it is a lot happier. That's typical with a lot of diesels. This one a little more so. If you do purchase this vehicle, keep in mind when you start it cold in the morning, or if you let it sit for a couple weeks, it will idle a little rough. It smokes a little when it's cold, but once it heats up, as you see here, it runs perfectly. Also has a belt squeal when it's cold, but after just 2-3 minutes of driving, it seems to warm up and run really good. Nice and smooth power. Clutch and shifting works really well. But definitely likes to be at operating temperature. The look of this is just so cool. And you feel really cool driving it. You have great visibility out of it everywhere you look. And look how clean the front end on this is. This would be where you put your diesel fuel in. It does have a lock. And to get these latches down, you pull out, and it comes in. Same with over here, out and down. And this will come down just like that. And it'll go down on the tailgate and the other side. So if you have to load something big in, you have plenty of access. And another notable thing is this is a cargo area in front of where the engine would be. It's sealed off from the engine, and it goes all the way through to the other side. We have some pictures of that in our gallery. You have to put the key in here to open it. But yeah, there it is. 1986 Volkswagen Transporter 1.6 liter turbo diesel with a 5-speed. This is a really rare vehicle. I have yet to find anything like it on the internet. It may be a unicorn, at least here in the States. So if you're interested in this car, make sure to give us a call. carsrememberwhen.com. Again, that's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.